What's up, everybody? The logo mechanic is here, and this is the first video of the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make a logo which is really simple yet professional. And I'm going to show you the in-depth tutorial of this logo making process. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to open Adobe Illustrator, and we're going to take a new document from here. We're going to put the pixel size like this, 4096 pixel and 2048 pixel for the height, and we're going to keep everything as it is right now and click on create. So we have our desired artboard. Now let's take a circle. Let's take a circle like this, give it a color, and copy the circle by alt and drag, clicking alt and drag. I think the circle has a stroke as well, so we're going to hide the stroke from here. And also this circle has a stroke, we don't want the stroke. Alright, so this circle is as same as this circle. We're going to make this circle smaller and make a copy of it and place it right here. We are going to change the color to white. It is already on the foreground, and the bigger circle is in the background, so I think they are perfectly aligned. But I'm going to select both of them and click on horizontal align center, also vertical align center. So we have two circles perfectly aligned with each other. Now we're going to make this circle a bit more smaller, and we're going to go to effect, distort and transform, and transform. Okay, so now we're going to click on the preview, and I'm going to make a copy of the circle. I'm going to make 6 copies. No, I'm going to make 7 copies of the circle. So 7 copies, and this circle, there will be 8 circles whenever I'm going to give them some properties like this. Let's give it minus 45 degree angle, and we're going to move the circles horizontally like this. Alright, I think I have the desired circle transformation, so I clicked OK. Now I'm going to make a copy of it in case we need to transform it. So let's select the circle. Whenever I transform something, the shapes will be like this. I'm going to make a separate tutorial for the free transform tool process, how it works and what's the process of it. So we're going to discuss about the free transform tool later on. For now I'm going to select the transform circle like this, and I'm going to go to object, and then I'm going to expand it appearance. So click on expand appearance, and let's select the 3 of these shapes, and I'm going to align them as well. These 8 circles are grouped right now, so I didn't ungroup them as well, so they are staying together. I'm gonna to change the color of the 8 circles because I want to show something to you. So if I change the color to white and if I deselect the circles, you will see what I'm going to make. You will have a clear idea. Let's see. Is this shape familiar to you? I think so, because it's a because it's a setting icon. Yes, we're going to make a setting icon for this logo design, and let's go ahead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these 8 circles, and I'm going to select the circle in the background, which is blue in color, and I'm going to click on the minus front pathfinder, which makes the 8 circles disappear by deleting them from the original background shape that we selected. The same thing I'm going to do with this circle as well. Let's select both of them and click on minus front. Okay, we do not have any other extra shapes in this area right now. As you can see, I pulled the setting icon outside of the artboard so that you can see in that the center of the setting icon is completely transparent, as well as the outside. So let's go ahead and select the setting icon with our direct selection tool, which will bring up these little small circles. You don't have to select all of the settings. We can just select this corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner, like this. So all the corners, outside corners are selected, and we have those little squares. I'm going to pull them all together. See, we have a round and very smooth corner right now. Alright, so I'm going to make another shape, which is, let's check a circle, let's check a rectangle, like this, and I'm going to add an anchor point to this rectangle, which will be here, just right around the center. Okay, and I'm going to pull the anchor point down so that it has a sharp corner. Alright, let's turn this color into white, and as you can see, the custom rectangle that I made is perfectly aligned with the center, and also yes, it's perfectly aligned with the center, but I'm going to have to pull it down a little bit. Alright, just yes, this is good. We can deal with this. So select both of them, click on minus front. If you're wondering how the pathfinder is here, I'm making another series of Adobe Illustrator tutorial where I have shown all the uses of the tools and panels and everything, so you don't have to worry about this. You will learn eventually. I'm going to make another rectangle, not right now, we can leave it for later. So I'm going to take this rectangle here and I'm going to adjust the position of this new circle with the arrow key. Alright, so if you see this circle, what happens if I select both of them and click on align? No, this is not perfectly aligned because the save from here is deleted from the circle. Okay, I have to align it manually with the arrow key. I can say it's perfectly aligned, but it's good to use. Alright, let's take another rectangle from here. Let's take the rectangle like this. What's happening to my... I'm gonna click on, I'm gonna uncheck the snap to pixel, which will fix my problem. Yes, sorry. And I'm going to make it bigger. Alright, let's bring it to front and give it a stroke, white stroke. Stroke will be on the outside of the shape, and let's increase the stroke point. I think it's good. Yeah, you can say that it's good. Alright, so we have the perfectly aligned. Let's see. Okay, everything is perfectly aligned, and I'm going to expand the stroke for the save, and I'm going to divide everything, and I'm going to delete the unwanted white shapes. Yes, there are more unwanted shapes which I don't want to keep. Let's delete it from here, also from here. Alright, the logo name will be the name of the name of my channel, which is the Logo Mechanic. I'm going to choose a font for this. Let's make it black. Also, I'm going to copy it and edit the whole thing, which is mechanic. I'm gonna have to take another rectangle, let's not put the mechanic here. We're going to use a tagline and we're going to give this logo name the logo name, right, and we're going to make a tagline. Future is the brighter. Okay, let's bring it down to around 75 points, and let's keep the letter spacing around 365 will be enough. We're going to press Ctrl R, which will bring our ruler, and from the ruler we will take the advantage of using guidelines to perfectly align our texts. I'm gonna make it, let's take a guideline around here, and I'm gonna make the precise like this. Okay, we have a logo name and we have a tagline. I pressed Ctrl semicolon to hide the guidelines. Alright, let's give it a color. Yeah, this is good, and let's use a lighter color for the tagline, and we're going to use let's select all the objects that are cut, and let's unite them from the pathfinder, and I'm going to use a lighter blue color like this for the tool, and the settings icon can be like that. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I think we have the logo. Alright, that's it for today, and I'm going to put I'm going to put the link to the font that I have used here, and also I will copy and paste the color codes for the colors that I have used for the logo in the video description, so you can check it out. And don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let me know what do you think about this tutorial, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.